Yeah, we're getting there. We're down nice and safe. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my days. Sorry. This is a customer announcement. Can I have a spare pair of underpants to aisle 5, please? That's a spare pair of underpants to aisle 5. Hello, you beautiful lot. Welcome to today's episode of Purple's Railway Adventures. Now, we're back near Daventry for part 3. And at the moment, we are at the Great Central Railway. Now, if you watched the previous video... Oh, sorry. Hello, Jamie.
Hello.
Sorry, buddy.
That's all right. I did that on the Daventry video,
Yeah, completely forgot each other. Oh, dear. That's a good start, isn't it? So, at the minute, we're just a little bit further along from where the Willoughby Viaduct was. So, we've come further south. What's this, Wolfencote?
Wolfencote.
Yeah, Wolfencote.
I think there still is some of the village left, but there's quite a bit of an abandoned village around.
Oh, wow, okay.
If you look, there used to be a big hall here, Wolfencote Hall.
Yeah. Oh, and remember the earthworks when we sent up the drone further down?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so I'll have to show you the
You've not put
earthworks.
that video up yet, have you?
Yeah, went up last night, mate.
Oh, did it? Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
yes,
that's
so
right.
now we're on part 3. So it was good timing for everything. So, yeah, we've on this footpath, I'll have to show you on the maps exactly where we are, and we've just seen this abutments, look. So there would have been a bridge here for the Great Central Railway to come over. So that way's south towards London, and that way's north towards Leeds, whatever, not sure, Liverpool. So, yeah, Jamie's just gonna set himself up. But we want to continue going south, and it should just be up here. Yes, there we go. There's another railway bridge just there. Awesome.
Go on, you just carry on, mate.
Yeah, well, yeah, you're with me, mate. All right, you're doing your own video, which go check out, by the way. As soon as he's done it, I'll link it. But yeah, so
It's a gorgeous morning.
stunning. Right, here it is. So one of the abutments is gone. There would have been one here, I'm guessing, and there's only one left, because this bit here is the Weedon to Leamington Spa Railway. That way towards Weedon and that way towards Leamington Spa. And of course over the top here would have been the Great Central Railway. So yeah, I would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas. This is our Christmas video. Why not? What's it looking like this? So like I said, this is that very important point. I'll have to show you on the maps, but this is where 2 railways crossed over. And I am afraid the Weedon to Leamington Spa, although we've been following that one, is pretty cool, but we want to follow the Great Central Railway now. So I think this video will take us further down into Catesby, Northamptonshire. Great, love it. So, right, I'm going to send the drone up and we'll see what views we can see from here. Why not?
What was it like to wake up after having never gone to sleep? That was when you were born. Just in the same way as you don't focus your attention on how you make your thyroid gland function. So in the same way, you don't have any attention focused on how you shine the sun. So then, let me connect this with the problem of birth and death, which puzzles people enormously at all. Because in order to understand what the self is, you have to remember that it doesn't need to remember anything. Just like you don't need to know how you work your thyroid gland.
Quite nice to see it, especially with all this white bloody snow. Absolutely lush. Right, now Jamie's made his way up there, and he says there's an awesome bridge, so I need to try and make my way up now. There you go.
The date on the bridge as well.
Where?
Just as you come towards here, you'll see one of those bricks with the 1895 date on it.
Oh yeah, I got you.
And we've seen them all the way along on the
We have.
GCR
Joseph.
line, haven't we?
No, it's the GCR and the Weedon to Leamington Spa Railway.
Yes, we did. So they were probably built around the same sort of time.
I reckon that, yeah, they've all got to be from the same
Yeah,
area.
let's film him getting up. Do you need me to carry anything?
No. I'll get up. Yeah. What do you call me? What did he just call me? You just called me a monkey. Oh, me up. Oh, jeez, slipping. Oh wow, look at them views, folks.
Yeah, beautiful, isn't it?
Absolutely. So, what I know it's going towards the sun, but we want to keep going south down along here and see what other railway architecture we can find. Oh wow, look at that in the distance. Already. Awesome.
So obviously we're both filming.
Yay!
He'll give you a lot more information about the trains and things, I would imagine. But what we are going to try and do today is we're going to start here, which is where we ended up on when we were out last Friday, and then we're going to head south on the railway, or what's left of the railway. We're not going to walk it all because we want to get a few things under our belt. There's various viaducts and then there's a tunnel, so we're going to try and get as much of that in today as we can. And we do work on a time constraint because I have to go and pick my wife up from work at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so that's why our videos have to be done in these sections. But the beauty of it is, it means that we have to keep coming out into this beautiful, beautiful countryside. I mean, just look at this.
Absolutely stunning, look at that. I think we're just going to go to the end of here and just look at that bridge. That's pretty awesome, isn't it? Oh, awesome, we've got ourselves a bridge.
There's another bridge here.
There is, yeah, I've just seen that.
Yeah, very interesting.
Awesome.
So there's a bridge
Could just be farmers' access. Is there a way down there?
and the rails down there.
Oh, it does look like a way down. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't.
But yeah.
Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So there's Braunston with the windmill and the church.
Oh, and look at this, okay, so there's Braunston.
Oh, wow.
You can see the church at Braunston and to the left.
Oh,
is
wow.
the mill.
It's a little bit like the one we saw in part 2 over by the Willoughby Viaduct.
Right over in that field there. The
Awesome.
lines you can see in the fields.
I wonder what the other side's like. That's where I'm going on my arse. Oh. I think I found somewhere. It's treacherous. Ah! Ow, ow. There you go. Hi, Jamie. There you go. That's another bridge. Showing about the sun.
Can you imagine being out here building this in 1895? You know, we didn't have central heating and things back then.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Love it. Right, make my way back up without dying. It's these things, and I've got wellies on, and I don't want them in me. Because they this thing got in my way. Yeah, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're out of it, we're out of it.
Taken to pieces. And he was telling us stories about how he used to go down.
And there's Jamie.
He actually went to a different state.
Oh, we've got some deer, look.
I zoom.
The zoom button.
Yeah, I can't find it.
Look at them.
I don't know if you can see the deer out there.
That's awesome. Oh, wow, there we go, Jamie.
That's amazing, isn't it?
That is Triple Arch Bridge.
But what's interesting is it's only a farm place.
That's true. But maybe it's an old no, it's,
road, could be.
yeah, I mean, look, you've got a few houses over there, but that is the farm. Hmm.
We're on the railway line, aren't we?
Yes.
Wow, look at the gully.
Oh,
there.
wow.
Wow.
And that just keeps going on and on and on. So just down there, you should have Staverton viaduct. I don't know if it's there or not. It may be like the Willoughby Viaduct and all blown to smithereens, but I'm pretty sure me and Jamie will continue the hunt on and have a look. Oh, look at that, though.
Right, you know what? This is the difference. I need 2 different cameras, mate.
You know, that's one thing different I've noticed. You see how you got the blue engineering brick and then you've got the clay ones in there as well?
Ones, yeah.
Yeah. How did you get up there? Oh, that was quick. That's awesome, isn't it? So we've just walked down along that, which is the old railway line. Great Central Railway. It would have come under here. So our Weedon to Leamington Spa Railway went off in that direction there and has gone west. So a quick look around here. It looks like what Harrodon Lane used to look like, and Bush Bridge. It's all falling apart.
The top bricks are hollow, mate. The cap bricks are hollow.
Are they? Oh yeah, they are. But that's a good vantage point, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very nice. So we and Jamie are going to jump back in the car and we're going to go down to our next protocol. Should be further down there. Isn't that beautiful? Welcome back. Very busy, very noisy. We're on the A425, I think it is. I'll have to show you on the maps. But now our Great Central Railway has come over this road, which has actually been dug out. Look, it's quite funny. But what we want to do is we want to go at the top and follow the line all the way along, because apparently there's a couple of viaducts along here that we really want to see. So, yeah, come with us now as we risk life and limb going through the undergrowth, following the Great Central Railway. Oh, turkeys. Turkey, 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 turkey. Oh my days, I don't know if we can do it. Oh my days. Oh my days. Yeah. So it don't look like we can go through that bit. Fair enough.
This is a bit of the old railway architecture. This is what they would have held in.
Oh, tensioning.
You use this to tension up any of the communications wires and things. Or maybe just a fence, actually. But again, one thing that you will see is
I mean, look, we can't get through there.
Fencing,
So,
which is the old railway fencing.
okay, fair enough.
So this,
We'll take a little walk up along here then, I suppose. Oh wow, look at it, ain't it beautiful? God, what a day to be alive. Awesome. So just use this little bit and we'll see if we can get up here at any point, because that is all rough brambles. Go for it. Looks like an animal track, doesn't it? Yeah, I just want to see up on the line. God, look at all this, look. Oh, I love it. Look at all this. It's like snow, but it's not, is it? It's frost.
wall lines, isn't it? I didn't know anyway. But we are back on the line here.
And it's in there, isn't it? Well, we don't... Oh, wow.
The line ran through here.
Yeah.
And then it ran through there, as you can see.
So is this parkland for Catesby now then? They look like parkland trees.
They do look like parkland trees, but it could be that they're literally if they've got deer around here, deer would do that naturally anyway, because deer can only reach up a certain.
Right. Okay, well that's a bit of a no-go. We'll keep walking up and see if we can get on this railway line, because like I said, a bit further up you've got Staverton Viaduct, and a little bit further down from that you've got Catesby. Now, I don't know if Staverton viaduct is still there. I really don't know. We'll just keep walking up. It's getting clearer here, look. It's getting a lot clearer, so all the brambles are there. And we should be able to get in there. Go for it. Oh, there you go. So, this would have been a double line. One to go north, one to go south. The Great Central Railway. And I don't think we can get too far down there, but we'll keep fighting. We'll keep going. Okay, well, that's the end of that then. Back out on the field and down a bit more. Oh dear. Pheasant. I got that one a treat. So, I didn't really recognise it, but Jamie has, and you see how more of this land is going straight down here, and of course your railway line's up here. So somewhere in there is a pheasant. That was a pheasant. Yeah, but there should be the Staverton viaduct just in here. Yeah, yeah.
You know, this is an animal track here. This is human track.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. This is more open this side, I'd say.
Yeah.
Still only just at the edge of the stairway, look.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. We've got railway fencing still. Wow, now that's a valley to go over, isn't it?
So this is what I was just saying. We've come to the other side now.
Oh, wow.
You can see the valley that this railway. The railway at this point is at this level.
Oh, wow. So I'm just going to go out in this field a moment. Wow. So I am afraid the viaduct is fully gone. But, I mean, we're in a completely wrong position to get some angles. I'll send the drone up and I'll see what we can get from here. Because it doesn't look like there's much there. There's a deer just gone down the bottom. That was cool.
Are afraid that when they die, they're going to be locked up in a dark room forever. Like to wake up after having never gone to sleep. That was when you were born.
Pretty cool seeing it from up there. So we're just going to have a look in here. I don't think there is any remains of it left. But we do want to try and cross the stream, and then it does look like on the drone that there's a bit of a pathway actually on the railway, so we want to try and get to that one. Don't know how, but we will most certainly try. No. Yeah, nothing left, but you know. It's, oh, wow, blooming horrible on the feet. So, the abutments would have been here, wouldn't it? It does look like it goes off in a bit of an angle.
So this is obviously.
He's got some stone. He's looking at stone. Oh my days! Oh, but look how steep this is. So your viaduct abutment would have been in here, and it just would have gone straight off over. Now I don't know if it was at an angle or whether it was straight like the Willoughby Viaduct. But yeah, well, sometimes that helps. So
yeah, we can see here.
Oh yeah, because look, I've got the abutment. Oh, we've got an abutment, Jamie.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go, look.
So we have got some evidence. I was in the wrong area.
Yeah, look.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, look, here we are. There's loads of rock down by my feet, but look at that in there, look. Okay. So this would have been the start of the viaduct. Staverton viaduct. There's a couple of bricks in there as well, look. So I don't know if this one crumbled, Jamie, or whether they demolished it.
Well,
I'm not sure.
even if it was crumbly, and then they demolished it.
Yes.
Because that bridge that we saw just a minute ago was very crumbly, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Couldn't get anything out of it.
Yeah, this is solid, isn't it?
So yeah, this is the brickwork at the edge of the viaduct.
It's that.
Viaduct.
Yep.
So much for me saying, oh, there's nothing of it there.
Oh, there's always a little something.
Look how much purple's already dropped down.
Oh no, right. Hell of a drop.
At the bottom of this bank, at the bottom of this
There you go, nice little woodland walk for you all. And am I cold? No. I'm not, actually. I'm not cold. My big toe is gone cold, but I'm not cold. Oh. Yeah, look at that. And look how high up he is, look.
Yeah.
So, of course it is a viaduct, so therefore it must have crossed a stream, which should be down here. Dead silent. It's perfect. Just an airplane sound in the air, and that's it. Oh, right, what we got? Oh, yes, a little stream. And a place to cross. Wow, would you look at this wood?
As we get to Catesby tunnel as well, some of that was actually done with steam powered excavators.
Love it. Culvert as well. Hey up, don't slip. Little structure. More little channels, look. This stream's actually running properly. Lovely. So I suppose we want to get up into that bit there. Oh, we've got a sinkhole. Oh, no, probably just a badger set. Is there a way up there? Of course there's a way up there. Oh.
So yeah, now we're going back up the other side.
Yeah. Oh. It's slippy as anything. Oh. There it is, and that would have been the other abutment up on this one. So I'm probably going to have to go round the edge and then go up. That looks very steep. I love it.
Nice steep, isn't it?
Oh, it is, mate, yeah.
This is where the other abutment was.
And there is some bricks up top. Oh. Yeah, there's loads of brickwork.
My other video about the further down when we were at the canal, where the DCR crossed over the canal, and the old
slippy.
Willoughby. If you imagine this,
So look, there's
like that at one point.
brick bits there and there. And then if we have a look here, we actually have, be careful what you're touching, part of the old abutment. Look, now you've seen the other side. Staverton viaduct, seen from both sides, and that's just killed me. Right, I wonder what our path is like up here. If I have to go back down, I ain't going to be happy. Oh. Right, standing on top of the railway, having me hat nicked. How rough are you? Are you really rough? Are you really rough? Or are you rough? Nah, beautiful. We can do that. We can do that. Look at that. Clear path all the way down. So, oh wow, look at that. The Great Central Railway, Jamie. Wowee.
Okay, so I told a bit of a fib there. I did say the next time you see us we'll be at the tunnels. But then literally, we stepped down off that little bit of rough stuff that we were
Wow.
out.
I love it.
Look at this. This is literally the old track bed.
There was an easy way up there as well, I just noticed. Yeah, so on the way back.
So going back into that piece, whether it can be crossed though by, what do you call it? I'm sure they will be able to.
Yeah.
But yeah, look at this.
That's mental. Oh, this is, so when you saw on the drone, and I could see the green path up here, I didn't think it would be as beautiful as this. There's a few pheasants.
You see it?
Yeah, pheasants.
No, there's a rabbit there as well.
Oh, there's a pheasant. So that's where we've just walked. And now that was embankment. And now we start to go into a gully. I like it, or railway cutting, whatever one term you technical ones want to use, go for it. Farmers' fields, but we want to keep going up that way because we have another viaduct to see. So some ironwork in there. Except from our footsteps, this is so peaceful.
Yeah, that is a bridge, isn't it? Look at that.
Oh, look at the silhouette of it. Wow. And I am sorry about the sun glare. I am sorry. Let's just come down from the spruce. Absolutely amazing. The way the light's catching it.
It's gorgeous, isn't it? It's a heck of a thing as well.
What's that, 5 arch?
So it shows you the work that went into these things.
That's mega. I mean, we can barely see it. It just looks stunning.
Yeah, yeah. I'm completely blinded by the sun at the moment.
Definitely gone the wrong way.
Here we go. This is going to come into focus for you. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
I'm going to have to take a photo in a minute. Yeah, I got a photo. I may even use that one as the thumbnail, but that is something spectacular. It is only a 3 arch. I thought it may have been a 5, like the one we saw up in Rugby, but no. A lot of shooting. There's loads of clay pigeons on the ground. Loads of them in there as well. Oh, and in here, look. Wow! Look at that icicle! I'm gonna have to get a photo of that. Bear with me. Wow. So yeah, Catesby Viaduct should be just up here a little way. There was a muntjac. See that? I love this. I mean, look at the depth of it.
Yeah, it's huge, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's very wide as well. It's unusual, mate. I'll tell you what it probably is the ground must not be in sufficient. You know, you can't just if it's muddy ground
and always landsliding and everything.
Exactly.
You need
if it was
to.
rock, you'd just come straight down, wouldn't you?
You would.
Isn't that the way you just come out now?
Oh no, just come out of the cutting.
No, that's about right. It should just be here now, yeah.
Oh, we should be there, should we? Oh wow, yeah, because we've got a valley either side. Wow. Yeah, valley either side. Oh, I reckon just round this corner. Now, looking on Google Maps, it looks like Catesby Viaduct is still there. But you never know. In fact, Jamie,
Straight away.
it's all made out of railway sleepers.
Wow.
What is that?
It's probably a house for the pheasants.
Yeah, but it's all been made out of railway sleepers.
Pop it back there. This is a little shelter, I'd suggest, for the pheasants, because this is a shooting area.
Oh, you reckon they've made it for the peasants? Yeah, look at that.
Substantial, that is.
Yeah.
Wow.
Talk about upcycling the old railway.
Start the viaduct, as you can see.
Oh, 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 that's not fair. That's not fair at all.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Oh, at least the viaduct's here. But that ain't fair, come on. We want to see this.
So, we're at the viaduct, and there's a bit of a problem.
Oh, and it's padlocked.
That is a pity.
That is an absolute shame. I'm not giving up though.
No, just from the other end it might be a bit easier.
I think so, yeah, look at that. Oh, mate. Is there any way down? Oh.
Yeah, so
The viaduct's still here.
the viaduct is still here.
Just can't get to it. So give me a moment. I'm going to see if I can make my way down here quite safely or dangerously.
What we'll do is we'll go down to
If I die, I die. Yeah, we're getting there. We're down nice and safe. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my days! Sorry. This is a customer announcement. Can I have a spare pair of underpants to aisle 5, please? That's a spare pair of underpants to aisle 5. Wow. You know what? Before we go any further, I've got to get my drone up. Wow. 1 out of 3. Oh, yeah, so drone footage is absolutely amazing, isn't it? Drone footage, mate, it looks absolutely stunning. Can't wait to get home and show you. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, that's a bit of a stalagmite. Wow.
I mean, that really is. That's actually dripping more than when I filmed it 5 minutes ago. It's got stronger on it.
Yeah. That's crazy. Whew. So where are we now then? Under a viaduct. Oh yeah, look at the post. Oh wow. Yeah.
It was a single track rather than a double track. But what we've got to look at here
is a communications post. I don't think he did. I think he went the other way. I'm going this way. I'm dying. And again. Things we do. There you go. Look at that. It's an actual communications post. Look at them up there, look. Huh? That's really great, isn't it? Ah, look, and there's a perfect example of one of them tensioning bars, look.
Is it actually in situ?
It's there, look, and it's also got it on.
So it's still connected?
And that's what we see everywhere.
Yeah. So what Purple's is saying there, you can see this wire coming down off the side of the post. Oh. And then underneath here is one of the ventures that we saw earlier on.
Ouch. Ouch. Ah. Ah.
Continue on a little bit.
We need somewhere to cross now, don't we? There looks like some wooden post of a style there. There's the stream, the River Lem, I think they call it, and I want to go up there. I want to get up there. Do you reckon we can get up there, Jamie? But then we've got to think about the car, mate.
That's the thing, innit? Purple's saying, do we cross over here?
Then how do we get back?
Yeah.
Right, okay. I think we need to go around the other side. At least we're here.
So this is the reason.
Yeah.
And you've got this massive great...
This great Missouri, look.
And you can actually see the kids have put a string up there. Surely not. Do you reckon they come swinging through here in the summer?
I don't know. Why is there another abutment?
Yeah. Well, to hold the water.
And
there's somewhere of getting across there. I've seen it.
oh yeah, yep, lovely, lovely.
Okay, we found a way across. Now we do have to be a bit careful.
Oh yeah, so there is.
This isn't even just pretend either. Look at that.
No.
That's a proper bridge for us to walk over. So that's how you know it is. And so look, you put these abutments down here to make sure that the water stays in this channel.
Ah, that's what that's for.
We've got is that that's properly fenced in.
Oh, go to the left. Go left. Yeah, we did it. Oh, I don't know, it's a bit rough for that. Oh, I want to go up there. I want to go up there. Oh, nearly there. God. Exactly like what we... Well, if you imagine the last viaduct that we just saw at Staverton, I mean, you can tell there's a big gap. That's what would have been there. That is great history all of its own. As if this is still here. Stunning. I'm going to have to get a photo in a minute. After we see what's up top. Oh wow, that goes on for ages. Oh. There we go. And that's looking towards Catesby. But me and Jamie may have to go get the car and then come back round to this. Oh, at least we're on the other side. Epic. I'm gonna have a break. Oh, mega. Me and Jamie are now in Upper Catesby. So we've got the Catesby Hall over the other side and the war graves here. Probably, once again, it's best I'll show you on the maps. But yeah.
Come in, just get my camera sorted.
Oh, and Jamie's getting ready for his video. So it does look like there's a footpath down here. So we might actually be able to get down and have a look at the north portal of the Catesby Tunnel. Oh my days. Someone's got a fortress.
Oh wow, look at that. Wow, yeah.
Very nice.
I wonder what that's about.
I don't know.
Strange, but yeah.
It's definitely a residence.
We are going to find
Oh.
entrance to Catesby Tunnel.
Yeah, the north portal, Jamie.
The north portal.
Oh yeah.
Yes, the first 40 metres were done cut and cover.
Which way are we going?
Straight down, mate.
Straight down, he says. Oh. Oh, I love seeing these places for the first time.
So, yeah.
Love it. I mean, this is a hell of a slope here. Could do with a upside down wheelie bin and use it as a toboggan. Hemingway style. Yeah. Oh, no, right? It's crazy. So me and Jamie were just saying, see that there? That is the Catesby viaduct. So we had to walk all the way back to drive all the way around to catch it in here. So.
But we needed to do that because we'd have had to walk twice as well.
Oh no, and that is half the problem when you're driving, is you get walking so far and then you've always got in your mind, oh my God, we've got to go back. So big shout out to the gentleman we just bumped into there, who was giving us some information, telling us about the beautiful viaduct and how there is something awesome down here. So thank you very much. Wow. Oh, look at this, isn't it beautiful? Like I said, what a day to be alive. What a day. Oh, isn't that beautiful? And to imagine me and Jamie, he basically just walked that. Love it, it's all part of the fun. And look at the views you guys get. I mean, look at that. Isn't that stunning?
Which means that they do a mile. 100 miles an hour, 40 seconds, isn't it? Means they can do a mile in a dead straight line.
Okay, so are you talking about the tunnel and the high performance?
Yes.
Ah, so I better explain to you guys then. So this Catesby tunnel is now being used as a high performance testing facility. Oh, there it is! Jamie, you're right. You're bang on. And there's a date on it as well. Oh, we need to get in there. We need to get in there.
Okay.
Without climbing a fence. Yeah, yeah. Step, step. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Look how excited.
Oh, yeah, I'm like a boy in a candy shop. Yes.
So this is...
You just take your slipper there, mate.
About 5 times, the northern portal.
Oh, wow, look.
Catesby Tunnel on the Grand Central Railway. Great Central Railway.
Yep. Great Central, yeah.
Great Central Railway. In Catesby, which I believe is still in Northamptonshire. Wow.
Oh,
And apparently as well it was built, oh there you go, 1897, so my dates were wrong.
oh, only a little bit though.
But there you go, that's fine, don't mind being wrong.
No, we're always wrong, aren't we? We're allowed to be wrong.
Look at that.
Wow.
It's a picture, you can't get in it. I think there
Oh,
are...
and there's a bridge.
Well, we'll wander down to the bridge as well, but let's have a look.
Wow. Would you look at that?
Look at this.
That's mega.
Wow. You can actually see the lights of the testing facility, mate.
Can you?
Yeah, look at this. So if you look very closely in there...
Oh yeah, I can see lights.
That is the testing facility just there. Wow. That's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, look at that down there.
So, there you go. And this, I think, is like a fire exit, isn't it?
Yes, mate,
Yeah,
yeah.
it does actually say that quite clearly there. Look at that.
Wow.
Wow.
That's
There,
mega.
mate. That's,
You know what? This portal is even bigger than the ones at Oxenden and
well,
Kelmarsh.
this is the thing, mate. It does
This is 2 lines, isn't it?
what
2
they-
lines in one
What
tunnel.
they say, it was unusually large.
And it is.
I don't know why. Because, so, when we look at the maps together, people, just down here, you'll see Catesby House. And so the landowner at the time, I believe, was somebody with the surname Attenborough. I might be wrong, but I think it was. Didn't want a cutting. Now, obviously, this is a cutting just here. We're in a cutting here.
That's it, where they cut into the land.
Underneath the hill, it would have been a really, really wide cutting going right through his back garden. And he said, I don't want a cutting. I want a tunnel. And so the railway company were like, fair enough, we'll build a tunnel. So this first part, this first 40 metres, probably pretty much that bit from here to that bit where you can see the testing facility. The first 40 metres was made by cut and cover. So you imagine being down here as a navvy, or as a navvy, you know, a builder, a workman, digging all this out, all the way over, and then building this arch, this great big arch out of all this brick. I think it's called Shropshire Blue brick, if I remember correctly from what I've read.
Shropshire Blue.
And then putting all the muck back on top of it. That's a thankless task, isn't it?
Oh, a little bit. Is that a little bit like what they did in London with the underground?
Yes, with
they
lots
dug
of
up the whole street.
Yeah.
Oh,
on
wow.
the shallow parts of the underground. On other parts of it, obviously, they go underneath.
Yeah.
But yeah, look at that.
Oh,
Isn't
there
that
you
amazing
go.
thing?
Awesome.
I'm glad we've seen that.
Yeah,
And
me
then,
too, mate.
Like we say, look
There's
at
a
this beautiful
bridge.
over here as well.
So yeah,
And
we'll
this is the
have a
thing
little
that we do notice. And where did we go? Where we saw the llama and the...
Oh, Barry Llama, Turvey.
That was over at Turvey. And again, there's a big fancy house at Turvey. And in fact, the landowner at Turvey, he was actually quite happy to have the train running through his property. It probably gave him a certain sense
Oh,
of...
yes, he was the chairman of the Northampton to Bedford Railway.
Oh, there you
He
go.
was the main
And
chairman.
it probably also gave him a little bit of cachet, didn't it, amongst the other landowners around, to be able to go, I have a railway running through my yard. And so, but the bridges that he had built, or that the railway built for him, were really, really quite impressive. But I mean, this one is
Right, okay.
pretty impressive. Look at that. They use these, it looks like they're using these as...
Wow. As storage, yeah. The arches. It stops people from sleeping in them. Awesome. So, just want to have a little look just round here, because it looks like there was a building just in here. So sorry for coming on your land. In the name of history, it looks like we have a plate layer's hut. It's all on a concrete base. Oh wow, that's very elaborate for a...
less elaborate than a lot of the other ones.
No, it's double size, mate, and it's on a platform.
But it's also, made out of
Oh right, that 60 Cold War style. But then don't forget how old this railway is. It's one of the younger ones, isn't it? Hi, love.
Hello. So you'd have also seen like the older ones.
Danger, rats in tunnel. There is no chimney like the others.
Yeah, it might be something to do with the tunnel, mate.
Might be.
Danger, rats in tunnel.
But there you go.
Yeah, look at this now, look at these. Oh, it still works. Look at that. The glass is gone.
So, I suppose there's only one more thing for me to do whilst Jamie's checking out all the hinges. Is I'm gonna.
Jamie and his hinges. Yeah.
He's off the hinge.
Oh, I love all that kind of thing.
Yeah, so I'm going to send the drone up and just see what this portal's like, and then we'll send it back a little bit just so we can see the other end of Catesby viaduct.
Well, anyway, there you go.
So yeah, our retaining wall.
Yeah.
Like we saw up in Rugby with their signal box where it was.
Yes. Yeah.
Awesome.
So he'll point. I'd like to say I'll put it in my video, but I won't. Because I don't know how to do that.
So yeah.
So when we went to
Awesome.
Another part
I'm going to go to this little spot just here. It's got a nice big opening, and we'll send the drone up. Let's go for it. Amazing. I mean, as I sent the drone up looking further south, I mean, you can't even see the end of the line. I mean, this tunnel is something like 2.1 kilometres. I mean, that's the biggest tunnel I've known. I mean, I've been to the Warden Tunnel, Oxenden and Kelmarsh, and they're not as big as that one. Anyway, me and Jamie, we're going to take a few pictures and then we're going to make our way round to the South Portal and just see what the Performance Centre looks like. Because why not? Right, here we are then. We're in Charwelton and Catesby Tunnel on the sign. So we did come over this railway bridge and then we looked down and we saw like the track. So they've turned the old railway line into the track to get to
the access to it.
Yeah. So here we are, driving on a railway line.
It would have been twice as thick as this as well.
Yeah. Oh,
Wow.
Oh wow.
It's a bit slippy underfoot.
Yeah, well, they haven't been gritted.
Yeah, no, they wouldn't have brought a gritter down there, would they?
Oh, it's even got a tunnel vent on the roof, look.
Oh, so that's it?
Yes, this is it.
Wow.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah. The car just came down here.
Yeah, I know, I saw it.
It's disappeared.
He's been having fun. Oh, yeah, we're in a railway gully. Yeah, look at that. Mate, how's that for an end? How's that for an end scene then, mate?
Yeah, no, fantastic. I'm going to get out and do a bit of a...
Yeah,
that's it. This is the bit. Okay, so the tunnel is behind this.
It's behind that, yeah. It's the amount of decent cars that get going through here, mate. I'd love to hear it one time.
Yeah. Interesting stuff, isn't it?
It is, mate, yeah. Oh, so there are people here.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I've just seen people just there, just then.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll skip.
Yeah, go on.
Let's get
jump out and do a quick outro.
Yeah. And we'll just oh look, you see the tunnel parapet down there?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh
Wow.
You're not going to film in the office, are you?
no, but I am going to let my viewers know that I'm just going to go have a little chat in the office, see if we can have a look at the tunnel or come back at a later date and look at the tunnel, because we might even start part 4 from here.
Yes.
So we've gone away from the Weedon and Leamington Spa, but this is still searching for the railways, and we might as well continue it on in some glorious episodes. Bear with me, I'll have a chat. Okay, well, apparently we have to book a visit. So we're going to go down the end of the road here and speak with this other lady to book a visit here. And hopefully this legend of a gentleman will bring me back out so we can do part 4. So, but here we are at the testing facility being used for another tunnel. So this tunnel that is now disused has had a new lease of life, which is pretty epic. But it is also a good point to end up this video. So go check out part 1 and part 2 of Daventry Dismantled Railways. I know we're coming out of Daventry now, but it's still following it on, isn't it? Yes. So check out Jamie Brady's Welcome to Wimbledon Group. And don't forget his music channel, Jamie Brady, aka The Mood Shaper. Absolutely amazing music, and I'll put it all over my videos. So like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you all again for the next episode of Purple's Railway Adventures.